Hi, are you registered under GST as a regular taxable person but failed to furnish your annual return for the financial year ranging from 17-18 to 21-22? Or have you received any notices for non-filing of the annual return for these years? You have nothing to worry because this 3 minutes video is for you. Before jumping into the crux of the video, I will just explain who shall be mandatorily file the annual return for these financial years ranging from 17-18 to 21-22. A registered taxpayer whose aggregate turnover in a financial year exceeds 2 crore rupees shall mandatorily be filed the annual return under GST. Even if your aggregate turnover in a financial year is lower than 2 crore or 2 crore, still you can furnish the annual return and avail the benefit. What is the benefit? If you have made any errors or mistakes while filing your monthly returns being GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B, then that errors can be rectified by filing this annual return. Now, let me explain the consequences of non-filing of the GST returns. Two major consequences enumerated in the GST provisions are late fees and penalties. A person who failed to furnish the annual return has to pay late fees amounting to rupees 200 per day till the date till which the default continues, subject to a maximum of 0.5% of the turnover in a state. Another consequences is the general penalty as per the provisions of the GST. So, the late fees is the major chunk of the consequences as per the provisions of the GST Act. Say for an example, if your turnover is 2 crore 10 lakh rupees, then your late fees can be up to 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. Here comes the crux of the video. If you have filed your annual return before this 30th June 2023, then the maximum late fees that you would be payable will be 20,000 rupees. Yes, the GST Department has issued an amnesty scheme for the non-filers of the annual return from 17-18 to 21-22. If you failed to furnish your annual return during these periods, and if you have filed your annual return within this 30th June 2023, whatever be the number of days of the delay, your late fees will be maximum up to 20,000 for your return per year. CBIC has issued a new notification having number 07/2023 dated 31st March 2023 in this regard as a gift of the new financial year. Now, this is for the taxpayers who have taken the registration under composite scheme. If you have failed to furnish any of the returns in form GSTR 4 in any of the periods ranging from 17-18 to 21-22, here comes the amnesty scheme for you. If the tax payable as per your GSTR 4 return is nil, then the late fees for the GSTR 4 is also nil. You have no need to pay any amount as late fee for failure to furnish the GSTR 4. If any tax is payable in your GSTR 4 return, then the maximum late fees that can be payable or that can be charged by the department for the failure to furnish the GSTR 4 is only 500 rupees per return. If you wish to avail the benefit of this amnesty scheme, all you need to do is just file your GSTR 4 before 30th June 2023. All the registered persons who have obtained registration under composite scheme shall need to file GSTR 4 without any turnover limit. As a conclusion to this video, this amnesty scheme is only applicable to those who have filed the defaulted annual return within the period of 1st April 2023 to 30th June 2023. So, don't delay anymore, file your annual return at the earliest and avail the benefit given by the CBIC or GST Department. Thank you.